Hello friends, welcome to Prodhat channel. In today's video, we will explain about best shampoo for men's long thick hair. After a certain age, men can lose a lot of hair, and growing long thick hair will also be quite challenging for men. Usually, the growth rate of men's hair is much lesser when compared to women. Also, the change in hormone levels and genetics cause them to lose their hair after a particular age. So, before buying, there are few things to consider. Now, let us understand them one after the other. First of all, let us know what are types of products that are available. The first type is hair softening shampoos. One problem commonly faced by people with thick long hairs is maintaining them and keeping them under control. So, using a shampoo with keratins and other softening agents like aloe vera and natural oils can improve your experience. The second type is hair conditioners. Hair conditioners are also essential for thick hair as they have the ability to soften and make your hair feel moisture with natural oils. The third type is cleansing shampoos. It is essential to have a proper cleansing shampoo that can remove the dirt without affecting the natural oils in the scalp. Shampoos with natural cleaning agents like the amla and lemon can be effective. Let us jump into the features and factors that needs to be considered before buying the products without any delay. The first feature to consider is brand. Make sure that you check the quality of the brand. With a low brand shampoo, you will not have proper certificates to ensure its quality. Out of the 100 shampoos present in the market, only 30% are tested and qualified for usage, while the rest are naturally sold without proper certifications. The next feature to consider is a natural or chemical. Depending upon your requirement, you can choose a brand that supplies Ayurvedic or chemical based shampoo products. The chemical based mixtures are more powerful and can repair the hair at a faster rate when compared to natural products. Sometimes certain chemicals might hurt the structure of the hair and cause hair fall. The safest option is to choose a natural product. The succeeding feature to consider in this list is proteins. The proteins should be of high quality and mostly available in keratin or natural collagen. This becomes essential because proteins are completely responsible for building the hair's structure right from the root and are also responsible for improving the length and thickness. The next on hand feature in this list is hair type. Curly, straight, frizzy, oily, and dry. In all these conditions, the result might be the wastage of hair products, since they will only clean the scalp but will not benefit the hair in any way. When you have long, thick hair, always go for shampoo models that improve the moisturizing content and provide proper support to the roots to ensure that they will not become weak in the future. The next factor is cleaning effects. Purchase a shampoo with a combination that offers a deep clean scalp even if you are rinsing the hair once a week or twice. Here, for having a proper cleaning effect, make sure that the shampoo has a good set of natural ingredients that will make the cleaning much easier, like apple cider and lemon. The upcoming factor in this list is pH level. It is essential to check your scalp's pH level and then decide on the perfect shampoo. Any shampoo that you choose to use should have a neutralizing effect on your head or scalp rather than improving the acidic or basic level. The next approaching factor in this list is built-in conditioners. Even certain brands had gone to a greater extent of offering shampoo with conditioners suitable for dry hair and oily hair. So, purchasing a shampoo with a built in conditioner to make sure that the hair formation is set perfectly even after shampooing. After knowing about all the features and factors that need to be considered before purchasing this product, let's now jump into the things that need to be avoided in these specific products. The first thing that must be avoided here is paraben. The second thing that must be avoided here is sulfate. We have selected the top 3 products that are best and available in the current Indian market based on the above listed factors. The first and foremost product on the list is Matrix Opti Long Professional Shampoo for healthy, long hair with nourished lengths and split ends protection with ceramide for long hair paraben free. The key ingredients of this product are ceramide. The variations that are available in this product is glycol and the permitted amount of sulfate. The features of this particular product are: this shampoo is a professional shampoo that improves the hair's length. The product is made up of ceramide as the main ingredient. The specialty is that this product doesn't have any sort of paraben or sulfate. This helps in improving the nourishment and the length of your hair. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The following second product in our suggestion list is the Mamaearth Onion Shampoo for hair growth and hair fall control with onion oil and plant keratin 400 milliliters. The key ingredients of this product are onion oil and keratin. The variations that are available in this product: vitamin E and D-panthenol. The features of this particular product are: the shampoo is made up of onion extracts and plant keratin. This nourishes the hair and improves its growth. This shampoo also allows proper softness of your hair. This prevents hair fall. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The final product in our bucket is Cara Men Keratin Shampoo with ginger and biotin for nourished and thick hair sulfate and paraben free, 200 milliliters. The key ingredients of this product are ginger and biotin. The variations that are available in this product: tocopherol, argan oil and vitamins. The features of this particular product are: this improves the growth of hair and develops nourishment. Also increases the volume of the hair. The shampoo is void of paraben and sulfate. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. We have selected the top 3 products that are best and available in the current global market based on the above listed factors. The first and foremost product in the list is Botanic Heart Biotin Shampoo and Conditioner Set with ginger oil and keratin for hair loss and thinning hair. Fights hair loss, sulfate free, for men and women. Packaging may vary, 16 fluid ounce each. The key ingredients of this product are ginger oil and keratin. The variations that are available in this product: argan oil and soybean protein. The features of this particular product are: this shampoo helps in improving the growth of hair and thickens it, which also allows you to maintain thick hair. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The following second product in our suggestion list is the Not Your Mother's Shampoo Way to Grow Long Plus Strong 8 ounce 235 milliliters pack of 2. The key ingredients of this product are special anti-breakage formula. The variations that are available in this product: no sulfate and other harsh chemicals. The features of this particular product are: it improves the length of your hair, also thickens the hair, and allows it to improve in density. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The forthcoming product in the list is Moroccan Argan Oil Sulfate-Free Shampoo and Conditioner Set, best for damaged, dry, curly or frizzy hair, thickening for fine thin hair, safe for color-treated, keratin-treated hair. The key ingredients of this product are argan oil and other oils. The variations that are available in this product: aqua sodium and oleum sulfonate. The features of this particular product are: this improves the density of the hair and reduces hair fall with conditioner for softening. To know more details about the pricing details of these products, visit the link given in the video description box. To know more details, check out our blog. The link is provided in the video description box. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos.